How to fix Microsoft Teams screen sharing not working on Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Task Manager on your device. In Task Manager, simply search for the apps that are using in the background. After you find the app, right-click on it and end task. You can repeat the process for all the apps that are being used in the background. After you do that, simply close the tab. And then if you're using Teams on the app, you can open Microsoft Edge and try doing it in the Microsoft Edge Microsoft Team. After you do that, your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Microsoft Teams screen sharing not working on Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe.